Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you the feature how to mute all sounds on your Android or Samsung phone. So go to your settings and then go to accessibility, then click on hearing enhancements. Now if you scroll down, you'll find a feature that says mute all sounds. If you tap on that, you have the option to turn this on, and that will allow you to mute all sounds. You can also enable the shortcut as well by tapping on the accessibility button there, and whenever you want to do it on or off, you can easily go ahead and enable that feature so that you can mute all sounds on your phone. So you can tap on it, you'll have the option to turn it on, and this will go ahead and mute all sounds for you as you wish, guys. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.